John here from Sydney Beach Homes. Excited to be back here at our Fairlight project. We had a bit of a walk through the project in June, so excited to show you guys what's been happening. Let's go and have a look. One of the significant challenges we had on this job was access and materials handling. So as you can see, since we were last here, we've had 100 cubic metres of landscape material brought in by a machine. They call it effectively a bark blower. So it's a big concrete-like truck. You put the raw materials in the back and it gets pushed down here through a pipe. So obviously 2 days to bring in effectively 100 bulker bags of material. Incredibly quick and efficient and saves a lot of money and time. So I'm effectively standing in what used to be the backyard, and when we got here there was a real disconnect between the house and the backyard. So what the architects have done is tried to make some connection by having all these little breakout areas. It's pretty cool. We've got planter boxes, going to have lights in there. We've got a wet edge pool here, so that'll be all tiled. It's going to look awesome. And yeah, a bit of grass, some little breakout areas for having a drink in the afternoon. One of the things I really love about this project is the sandstone, which has been quarried from the site when it was originally built in the 1930s. The stonemason's been back and put this beautiful sawn capping on here. And one of the things that we're able to do when the scaffold got removed is we can start finishing the pool, which is really exciting. So the render is starting later this week, and then we'll got tiling, fill it up with water, do some glass balustrading. It's going to be pretty cool. So now standing in the lower ground floor of this beautiful building, and this is effectively a wet bar / kitchenette. This is going to be pretty cool. I love this stone. I love all the curves being reflected in the cabinetry. So last time we were here, we interviewed Lou, one of our carpenters. She was really proud of all the prep work she'd done in this lift and stairwell area. So as you can see now, we've got the lift coming down. Boys are in there doing some glazing, finishing touches, which is pretty awesome. The stone's been clad on the treads, and we've got this really interesting concrete look-alike cladding on the wall. So all that hard work that you don't see, that we touched on the last video, means that the quality of the finished product is really what makes the job. Let's go and have a look upstairs. So we're just coming through into the bedroom wing. What we've got here is we've got a powder room and a bathroom, and we've got 2 bedrooms on my left here. We've got the laundry, which has external access, and we've got another spare room in here with its own ensuite. And we're just entering the master bedroom, ensuite and walk-in robe. So I'm standing in the master ensuite. So it's a pretty spacious area. It's lovely. We've got heated towel rails, nice bath, nice big double bowled vanity, and we've got a double-headed shower and a separate toilet, and these will have frosted glass doors on them. So since we started the project in 2019, we've had a significant number of challenges on the job, hence the long time frame for the project. We've had lots of design changes, we've had access challenges, we had a pandemic, we had a mandatory prohibition of construction for 2 weeks, which hasn't happened for 100 years. Last year we had our wettest year on record. So one of the things mentioned was design changes. This would be one of those things that's occurred on the job. We approach every project with a level of flexibility so our clients end up with exactly what they want. I think this was our client's idea, was to add this nice balcony off their master bedroom. And look, it's been great, it looks terrific. So it was a great result, but you know, back to the drawing board with some design changes, and we got to get the proper approval. So that all takes time and adds to the timeline of the project. So effectively the curves on the house, the P&O style, was from the 1930s, and it mimicked the luxury and elegance of cruise ships. And so you've got the curved awning here, which effectively provides shade for the glazed elements and makes it cooler for the people inside, and that's actually a requirement. I've probably said it before, but this is my favourite part of the house. This is going to be the dining room with an inlaid carpet and a nice dining table. We've got some cabinetry in there, and yeah, well, let's have a walk through into the kitchen. So I'm standing in the kitchen, and it's very unique style of kitchen bench. This is another design change that happened throughout the course of the work. There was a wall here, and that room there was a study. It's now, wall's gone, the fireplace has been moved from here to the end. So it's created this nice open plan. A fair bit of structural engineering went into the changes, and the client gets a beautiful pantry, which was one of her things on her brief that she most wanted. So that's great that we're able to provide that for her. Fireplace has gone in, looks fantastic. The guys at Debridge Joinery done a terrific job. So here's another pretty cool feature to get access up onto the roof for servicing requirements. It's a Gorta roof hatch, and it's really easy to use. Here's a set of stairs and handrail. So we're standing on top of our Fairlight project, and obviously that's a pretty inspiring view. But I'm up here to talk about the solar panels. We've got 17 kilowatts of solar panels. It'd be a real waste not to utilise this nice big area. So we've got as much capacity as we can up here. We've also got various extraction points where the fans ventilate the whole house. Got air conditioning, we've got another one over there for the range hood. So all these things on the roof, obviously for certain parts of the mechanical components of the house. So I'm standing above the glass atrium roof over the lift and stair, so that'll help draw light all the way down through the building. So you can see the detail that's gone into this roof. So we've got a concrete roof, which is fairly impervious to moisture on its own. But we've also got this torch-on membrane with this nice finish on it. Really like it, looks good. That's a wrap of our Fairlight walkthrough today. Look, if you want to keep up to date with what's going on in our projects like this one, click subscribe below. Thanks.